Next we did this program list and list. Next we did this for loop. Next we did this list and traversed through it. Next we did this append. Next insert command, remove command, pop, print, delete. So these basic things, just you have to have some introduction, some attachment with the Python. I'm taking you like this. So now union operation, intersection operation, difference operation, symmetric difference, all that we discussed. And next key value pairs, how the dictionary will be, key value pairs will be. So like that, a simple discussion we made in the previous class. Just a brush up of what we have done. And next, let us go with the thing that is needed for the day. So we are going to start loop statements in today. We will expand with so many examples in loop statements. So I will start with the definition of a loop. What is a loop? Loop means repeating set of statements. Repeating set of statements. Okay, repeating with the set of statements, that is known as loops. Okay, if you take this for loop, for loop for x, we will use in operator. In is an operator. Range is a function. Range is a function, or sometimes they will call it a data type. Starting value will be there. Starting value. Start, comma, end. Start and end. Colon I am putting. Print x. Okay, starting ending colon I am putting, print x. Starting ending print x. Now let us take starting value. Starting value will be, starting value is equal to 10. Ending value, end value is equal to 20. Now if you run this, what will be the output? Let us see. So you see 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, up to 19 we got. The Mahapurusha. Okay. So like that, we are getting 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. How we are getting? I will just explain you. Starting value is 10, means 10 for x in the range, means in the set of starting value and ending value, and it will take one element from this particular range, this set of values. First value is 10, that will be keeping inside x, and whenever we are printing x, that value is coming out. 10 I printed. Next it is taking next value 11 from this particular thing, and we are printing 11 here. Next it is taking 12 from that, and next we are printing 12. Next we are taking 13 into it, 13 we are printing. Next 14 we are printing. Next 15 we are printing. next 16 we are printing, next 17 it is taking, 17 we are printing, next 18 we are printing, next 19 we are printing, next like this it is going on. So this is the simple for loop, how the for loop will be there. Here you please observe, here I kept a colon, two dots, so colon is there, very important. Here I kept some space, that 4 blank spaces. This is like this, this is the simple for loop structure will be like this. So it is the simple for loop, how it is running, and we are starting and ending. We are printing the values from 10 to 19. This is the simple syntax, and we have like this. Okay, is it clear? So this is what is a for loop. Here the print statement is repeating for around how many times it is repeated? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 times it is repeated. So 10 times the print statement it is repeated. If there is no for loop, we have to write the print statement 10 times. We have to type with our fingers with 10 times. That is a headache. Instead of, if you use this loop statement, this single statement will be repeated for 10 times, so that our work get done, and also the values gets changed every time. So that is the advantage of for loop statements in a language. So this is what advantage of for loop. Okay, is it clear? For loop will be like this. So is any doubt in this? Okay, this is the simple program to print numbers between 10 and 19. Next, let us take another problem. And next, I want to print the even numbers between 20 and 40. How to go with this? I want to print even numbers between 20 and 40. Now, for that, how to write the program? Now, whenever you want between 20 and 40, because you take a start value as 20, next end value as 40, and you want to print even numbers, because after 20 how much? After 20, 22 you want to print, 24 you want to print. That's why you have to take something called a step value is equal to step value, which is equal to 2. Now if you take like this, your work is very simple, and you will get the desired output. Okay, now next start and we did not kept step value, that's why we got the regular numbers. If we kept the step value, so now you'll get the proper output. So you see 20, after that 22, after that 24, after that 26, after that 28, after that 30, 32, 34, 36, 38. 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 36, 38. So like this it will be. So it is the thing like this. Okay, is it clear? It is the thing like this. So it will go like this. Is there any doubt in this? So simply starting value, ending value, and step value. So starting value is 20. So 20 it is printed. Next, it will not take 21. step value is 2, it will take 22. Now 22 is printed. Again from 22, it will take step value 2, means 24 it will take. Next 26 it will take. Next 28 it will take. Like that it will go. So like that it will go. Okay. Starting value, ending value, and step value. So for x in the range, starting, ending, and step value. So it will be like this. It will be okay. Any problem you have? You have no problem because it is very clear. So it is like that. Starting value, ending value, step value. It will be like this. Next, this is the simple for loop structure in Python. Now I want to print odd numbers. How to go with that? So starting value I will take 21. Now if I run this, I'll get odd numbers 21, 23, 25, 27, 29, 31, 33, 35, 37, 39. So that is like that. Starting value, ending value, step value. So it will go like that. So that is the odd number sequence. Odd numbers will be like that it is coming. Even numbers like that it is coming. Okay. So this is a loop statements. It will go like this. This is a for loop, most widely used for loop. This is called a simple loop structure for loop in the Python. Next kind of loop is while loop. So let us see how the while loop will be. So while you have to take some condition. So for example, I will take x is equal to now x is equal to 1. I am taking now x is equal to 1. I took now I am taking x is equal to 1. I took now I am put a condition x less than 20. Next print x. Then x is equal to x plus 1. I kept. So before each statement here I kept one space. 4 blank spaces are 1 tab space. Here that space indentation is very, very important in Python. If you don't put indentation, you will not get any error, but no output it will generate. It will not generate any output. It is a very, very big headache process for you. Please remember the indentation part very clearly in Python. Indentation, if you don't put, it is a very big problem. You have to take care of the indentation very well. This is the only thing. This with this indentation, these lines are considered as one block. These 2 lines will come into one block. This is the simple while loop. Okay. Is there any problem, any doubt you have? You can unmute yourself and ask. And the next thing, there is no do while loop in Python. Okay, please remember in C language we use there is no, I am typing here, there is no do while loop. As in C, it is a do while loop is there, next do while loop is there, but they Python, they removed it, they thrown it out, huh? And there is no prefix and postfix operators. There is no plus or minus operators. Minus plus. Increment decrement operators are terminated from this. They are not encouraged in Python because they are confusing little bit. So what they thought, they just kept aside. So there is no do while loop, there is no increment and decrement operators in Python. Please remember this. This is very, very important. Any interview anywhere, you have to tell clearly that this there is no do while loop, there is no increment, no decrement operators. Okay, is it clear, my dear students? Okay, so like that, you please remember, there is no increment operators, there is no decrement operator. It is like that. Next, this is a very, very important thing you have to understand. You have to remember this. Please make a note of it. There is no plus operator, there is no minus operator, there is no do while loop. Okay, I'm once again repeating. Next, let us take some. So you learned loops, you learned for loop, you learned while loop. Okay, let us take some good problems. So let us further continue. So let us take how to generate a Fibonacci series. Fibonacci series problem. Fibonacci problem, let us take. So I'm taking Fibonacci problem. So Fibonacci series problem using this loop. Let us see what is a Fibonacci series. So all of you are familiar, very famous problem. It is Fibonacci 1, 1, 1 plus 1, 2, 1 plus 2, 3, 2 plus 3, 5, 5 plus 3, 8, 8 plus 5 plus 8, 13, 8 plus 13, next 8 plus so now 8 plus 13. What is the sum of the 8 plus 13? 21. It is 21. So like that, Fibonacci series is the sum of the two previous numbers. Sum of the two previous numbers. Fibonacci series will be there. Fibonacci series will be there. Fibonacci series. Fibonacci series. It will be Fibonacci series. Fibonacci series. It will be like this. It will be. So let us see now how to solve the problem. So for representing the first three numbers, I will take variables like f1 and f2. Next f3. F1, F2, F3. F1, F2, F3. So three variables I am taking. So first, let us take F1 is equal to 1, and next F2, sorry, f1 is equal to 0, f2, now f2 is equal to 1, now f3 is equal to again 3 is equal to 0. Let us take it like this. So let us generate some few Fibonacci series while f3 or f1 is f2 is less than 100, like that. I will take. Now let us take f3 is equal to f1 plus f2. f1 plus f2. Now print f3. Now f1 equal to f2. We have to change, keep on changing the values in the sequence. Now f2 is equal to f3. So let us see we will get desired output or not. I want to generate Fibonacci numbers less than 100. Let us check whether we are able to achieve this possible thing or not. So first what we will get 0 plus 1. 0 plus 1 will be 1. 1 will be stored in the f3. f3 we will get like that. What will happen? Let us see. So 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, 21, 34, 55, 89. Below 100 we got. I successfully got the Fibonacci series, but we wanted one more one. So for that, what I will do, I'll make this 1 here and 0 here. Let us check, make changes and let us check whether we will get this desired output or not. Now we got the desired output. So here 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8. We got the proper output that we expected the series. So now let us analyze this program. This is what we have to focus on problem solving. So f1 is equal to 1, f2 is equal to 0, f3 is equal to 0 I kept. Now f1 plus f2 is less than 100 I kept colon here. So sum of the two previous numbers less than 100. I want to generate Fibonacci series less than 100. Now here what I am doing, f3 means third number is always sum of the two previous numbers. So third number is a sum of previous two numbers f1, f2. Now, and after summing this, I am printing this f3. Next, I am changing the values because in the series the values are changing. Now f1, f2 I am assigning to f1, f3 I am assigning to f2. So like that, we are keep on changing the values. So with this rotational method, we are able to change this and perform this while loop operation. Okay. So this is the Fibonacci problem. This how we will go like this. Fibonacci series problem. How we will go like this. So next, this is the how the output we are getting. So 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, 21, 34, 55, 89. So this is the output that we got. Is there any doubt in this? So this is the simplest program, Fibonacci series basic program for understanding for loops and all. So this is the simple program that we did using while loop. All of you please make a note of this program. Any doubts in this? Is it clear? Is it clear to all? This Fibonacci problem? Please respond through chat. Okay, okay. Thank you. Thank you. Next, let us take. This is a very simple and easy. Next, let us take another. Next, let us take another problem. Okay, let us take a string, a list of names. Suppose like list. So Rama, Gopi, Rama, Murali. So Rama, Gopi, Yadav, Anil, Murali. So like this. Rama, Gopi, Yadav, Anil, Murali. Rama, Gopi, Yadav, Anil, Murali. Some names I just took. I want to sort them and print them. How to sort these list and how to print the list. How to sort it? Sorting, you have to not to take much pains and do this and that hell and just simply use a library function like sort. If I use this, all the things will be sorted. Now you take a for loop, then the things will be printed for x in li. So I forgot. Just put a colon here. Index. So all the sorted or not? Anil, Gopi, Murali, Rama, Yadav. Anil, Gopi, Murali. Anil is the A letter. So whenever Python is sorting strings, it will take lexicographical order. Lexicographical means dictionary order. Dictionary order it will take. It will take which order? Dictionary order. Dictionary order. Okay. Is it clear? So it will take dictionary order. So like that it will happen. And it will be going like that. Is there any doubt? Okay. Okay. Like that it will be. Okay. So it is like that. Is there any doubt, any problem in this? This simple program is clear to all? Okay. Please respond. Thank you. Okay. So this is the simplest program, how to sort the strings. In C language, you have to break your head and do that, this and all. But in Python, how simple it is, simple and easy. So that is the beauty of this language. Please learn yourself, enhance yourself, and you can earn money easily with the Python language. So this is the thing. Okay. Next. Okay. Next, let us take one more problem. Next, let us take one more problem. Okay. Now, generating prime numbers. Sorry, checking given number is prime or not. Then afterwards we will check. Checking given number that is prime or not. Checking given number is prime or not. Okay. Checking given number is prime or not. That is the that is okay. That's what I want to tell you. Checking whether given number is prime or not. Okay. So prime numbers. What is a prime number? So prime numbers are like if you take 5, it is a prime number. If you take 2, it is a prime number. 3, it is a prime number. And if you take 7, it is a prime number. If you take 11, it is a prime number. If you take 13, it is a prime number. If you take 17, it is a prime number. If you take 19, how we are deciding prime numbers? Because they are divided by 1 and itself. One and itself. There is no, actually, there is no other. There is no other choice. There is no other tool. So that is the thing. Okay, is that clear? Okay, is that clear? So that is what a prime number it is.